We've all seen this photo pose right here, the hands on the wall looking at the camera, especially around graduation season. And we've all definitely seen this video transition. We're outside, and I've taken off the atrocious Luke Cage tank top that I was rocking as well. So I believe the title of this video is going to be 2 beginner photo video mistakes that can make you better. Mistakes might be the wrong word. I think cliche might be a better word to use. Think of this right here. Nobody ever says you're being cliche if you're learning to walk or learning a new language. You're learning the language. That's not cliche, that's preposterous. Same thing is applying with photo and video. You're learning the language of still shots. You're learning the language of video or cinematography or filmmaking, whichever word you want to use. I recently did a video where I only had one camera here and I needed to cut. So teachings of one Kurosawa from over 100 years ago, of course, one of the biggest names in directing, taught us how to cut on movement or motion or action. Meaning, this shot right here where I have the can up to my face, one shot, cut away, another shot where I'm moving the can down. You almost don't even notice that my mouth isn't even where it was in the beginning shot because we're so used to seeing these cuts of movement, and the movement kind of draws your eye a little bit more. These are all the secrets that you're learning, all the things that you're learning to make you know the language of working this camera. When it comes to still shots, an example I used earlier of the posing against a wall, one of the go-to photos, I got plenty of these in my portfolio, so I do believe there's zero wrong with taking those shots because this is getting you started on posing, and learning the language of taking still shots is a little bit different than video. And my personal favorite shots in the creative spirit, the models almost aren't even in the frame. They seem almost secondary, even though they're not. The photo shoots are named almost after them, literally, with their own graphics and logos. But that's more of a creative type shot. That definitely isn't probably what you want for your portraits or what grandma would want to put on the wall of you. With all that being said, the point of this video is you're doing just fine. You keep up what you're doing. You're on the right path. You're getting these so-called mistakes out of the way early, the cliches, and you're going to imitate before you innovate. That's just kind of how things go. Remember, just starting puts you 80% ahead of the curve though, so keep going. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to never miss a shot from YeagerShots.com.